In the heart of the Mediterranean, at the base of Mount Etna, for more than 25 years, RODA CAVI has been producing electric cables and wires for personal and industrial use that meet the highest level of international requirements and standards. The strength of this company is based on delivery services, production organisation, and its strategic location near major highways, commercial port and the city's airport. A vacation enjoying the wealth of the history and culture of Eastern Sicily, matched up with work meeting, is truly a wonderful situation. The production plant, sales offices and administration buildings are just 1 kilometre from Catania's international airport, 2.5 kilometres from the industrial port, 1.5 kilometres from the train station and just 300 metres from the main highway. Our offices are home to all managerial work, where our experienced and courteous team will quickly provide estimates and answers to your offers, while also guaranteeing delivery times. A visit to our facilities in order to get to know the production and quality control activities for the wide range of products we offer could be your chance to learn more about our work and enjoy the wonderful hospitality of our company. The production layout starts off with a metallurgic stage aimed at reducing the section of copper rods and the annealing process. The copper rod with an 8mm gauge is wire drawn to 0.20 mm. This processing stage is known as wire drawing. Secondly, the copper undergoes annealing to give greater processing flexibility. Rejoining takes place in order to assemble a single string of insulated wire or copper strands in order to reach sections that reach 240 square millimeters. For this last section, the cost of the copper bears greatly on the finished product. The wires obtained during this stage of production are ready to be covered with a thermoplastic sheath. copper processing is completed in the stranding department. The copper placed in metal reels is assembled in a single strand, creating the desired section. A number of different tests are carried out on the strand, such as electric resistance and traction testing. The reels produced in this department are now ready to move on to the following processing stage, where insulating material will be applied. In the extrusion department, all production processes are carried to insulate the copper strands, or also for the application of a sheath on multipolar insulators is carried out in the rejoining department. In this department, heat treatment is carried out on thermoplastic products such as polyvinyls, polyethylenes and synthetic rubbers. Quality control on the product is guaranteed by computerized processes using high-tech equipment. The electric cable is branded and stamped every 1 meter with a description of product characteristics, features and production batch. These production lines handle the spooling of a single insulated cable into standard lines of 100 meters at a speed of 600 meters per minute. Again, automation is used for the shrink packaging of the hanks and spools, along with the packaging process, using expansible film on groups of hanks on Europallet wood platforms. These lines of production, just as the previous one, are used for packaging hanks that are 100 meters longer than the previous sets, reaching a maximum weight of 24 kilograms. The winding machine works at 400 meters per minute. These packaging lines are also automated, working on wood Europallets, ready for supply to the client. In the warehouse, the finished products are stored, where you can find standard production cables on spools and hanks of 100 meters, along with reels with large quantities of cable. The winding process allows for cutting based on the amount ordered and the requested cable, as seen here with the blue wire, designed for submerged pumps. All the technical characteristics of production and instructions for use can be found on our website at www.rodacavi.com. For further information, clarifications, or for offer requests, our email address is rodacavi@rodacavi.com. All of our cables and wires are tested in our laboratories, where tests and trials are carried out on raw materials, semi-finished products and final products. The lab has comparison samples for calibration of control and testing instruments, which have SIT International certification. This total control and management of production allows us to manufacture and build electrical wires and cables with technical characteristics based on client requests. National and international certifications guarantee product quality. ISO 9001 company certification guarantees the complete respect of company practices and procedures, along with the quality of client relations.